Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a fantastic AI tool which has many writing templates, especially for research paper, and also it is having different types of code generation. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Before going to today's video, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on AI powered research paper crafting, the ChatGPT and AI revolution. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different prompts, that is especially ChatGPT prompts, which is useful for you to make your research paper content very easily, and also how to get rid of plagiarism by using prompt itself. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. Don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of the video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Atten AI. So just click on that. So it will lead to a page like this here. So here you can see these are the three options here. So you can write with AI, code with AI and chat with AI. So just click sign up for free. So you can log in with your mail ID. So after that you can see here. So here this is the dashboard of this particular tool. Just a minute. So this is the two things here, GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. So here you can click GPT 3.5. So in this here GPT 4 is only available for the paid users. You have to go for upgrade option. So for free use you can access a GPT 3.5. So in this GPT 3.5 you will be having these are the different options available: popular, Python, HTML, coding, charts and others. So first you can see popular. So first I am going to click popular. So in this popular you can see the different translating, translate to English, translate to Chinese, translate to Spanish, translate to Japanese. So after that for especially for writing, so you will be having different options. So improve writing, so you can use this to improve your writing of your research paper. Next one is check spelling and grammar. So next one is that check spelling and grammar in detail. So next one, make shorter, make longer, continue writing, summarize with bullet points. So explain to children. So explain with examples. Next there are different brainstorming ideas. Next, outline of an article, write article, compose a story. Next, these are the things, general things, write poem, marketing style. So like that. Next, here you can see change tone to formal, change tone to casual. So change tone to professional. So these are the different things available. So these are the important templates available here. So thereby you can use these templates for our research paper writing. So many of the templates are especially related with our that is a better content writing. So after that you can see what are the different options available is that Python. So here you can see you can use the request library to make networks requests or scrap data. So here you can generate a code using Python. Next, HTML. Next, this is the coding. So tools, what are the other examples? How to learn from GitHub. So like that. Next you can see charts. So you can give examples of the charts. It will generate charts. Next, what are the different other options available is learn basic AI knowledge, uses and limitations of AI. Next, time traveler, chatting with sarcastic cat, write a suspense story. So AI English teacher. So these are the different other options available. So let us explore this writing options one by one. So first we will click that is improve writing. So here you can enter the text to be polished. So you can enter the text. Here you can see I have copy and paste a random data regarding a photovoltaic system, that is PV system. So here we have asked for improve writing. So the writing of this is improved. You can see here photovoltaic system rely on solar cells and their fundamental components. Their cells are electrical device capable of directly converting photon energy into electricity. Solar cells can be classified into 3 technological generations. So like that it has you can see here. So it is changed, it is converted. So the writing of this particular paragraph is improved. So next, moving on to our next option. So you can check spelling and grammar. So here you can copy and paste the same content and click send. here you can see the spelling and grammar is checked here. So it is corrected the spellings and grammars. So here you can see you can make any spelling mistakes, so thereby you can make use of this option. Here you can see most probably all the things are we have copied this, right? So you can make spelling mistake and check for grammar. Next important thing is that check spelling and grammar in detail. So it will check in detail, so we will try that one also. Copy and paste again the same thing. So click on that. So let us see how the option differs from the previous one. So it is also most probably same. So it will generating the same that is content as it is taken from internet. So this will be subjected to that is grammatical mistake free content. So it will generate a simple, it will correct only simple mistakes only. So if you whenever you are writing a research paper, you may write on your own. So your paper, that is your content, may subject to grammar correction. So you can use these options to correct your grammar very easily. So next one, you can have a option called summarize or summarize with bullet points. So I am going to give summarize with bullet points. I am going to copy and paste the same content. So here we will see whether it will summarize with bullet points. So yes, it is summarized with bullet points. Here you can see. So very crisp content is generated from the bigger paragraph. So you can make use of that option also. So next one is that continue writing. So whenever your paragraph is pending or you can't you are struggling to complete that particular sentence, so you can make use of this option. For example, say, so I am going to erase the half of the paragraph and then I am going to click send. So let us see how it will complete that particular sentence. Yes, you can see it is completed the second generation. Here we have stopped with, in this you can see here we have stopped with the first generation 1G. So after that it will start from the second generation, third generation. So in addition, different generation of solar cells. So like that it will complete the incomplete paragraphs very easily also. So these are the important things which will be useful for us to make our research paper writing very easier. So next you can see change tone to formal. So this one is very important. Next, change tone to professional. So just copy and paste the same content again. So click on send. So here the content is changed into a professional one. So like that, these are the different options, unique options available in this particular tool. So other than that, you will be having translator option, I have already said. And important thing is that make longer, make shorter. For example, if you want to increase the number of words in your research paper, so you can use this kind of make longer option. So I have clicked this make longer option. So it will give a very long content. So here you can see, so we have just copy and pasted only few words, probably around 250 words. So here you will be getting more than 700, that is you can see 702 tokens it is generated. So it will be around that will be around more than around 1000 words, more than 500 words you will be getting. So you will get long form of content also in this option. So apart from this, you can see explain like children. So you are interested in, you can write an article. Here you can see write article or outline article. So in write article, for example, I am going to ask machine learning and then click on send. So let us see how it will generate a better article, whether we will check it out. Yes, it is started to generate about that machine learning. So machine learning is a rapidly growing field in the field of artificial intelligence that focuses on development of algorithms and models that allow computers. So here a brief article is generated. Here you can see supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. So like that it will generate a very brief article. So thereby it will help you to write or generate a common content for your research paper. So as it like a chatbot, you can copy and paste your tables. That tables will be converted into a data, that is text form. So like that you can make use of this option. So here these are some of the options. If you want some other options like write poem, style, marketing style. Next you can see here brainstorming ideas. So you can make use of this template also. So other than that, so you will be having different types of coding options, Python, HTML coding. So these are the others. So here you can see a English teacher. For example, I am going to click a English teacher. So here you can see I want you to play the role of English teacher and teach me English. During our lessons I will ask you to certain concepts and question and answers. So you can learn lessons also. So as like you can have a teacher like that, so you can ask for a prompt. So for that prompt it will generate answers. If you have any questions related with the particular grammar, you can ask to this chat bot, so it will answer for you. So these are the important options available in this particular Atten AI. So you can make use of this Atten AI. This options powered by GPT 3.5 is free. So you have to go for upgrade option for GPT 4. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so here you can see that is $6, $12 and $18. So these are the pricing options. So next, these are the for one token how much credit price, like that it will be giving. So like that you can make use of this option. Especially these templates are very useful for you to make your research paper writing. So if you are interested in, you can go on and check this Atten AI for different templates, especially this grammar checking, improve writing, and that's a long form content, that is make longer, and article writer. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.